How to turn off SOS on iPhone. The SOS feature on iPhone can be a lifesaver in emergency situations. But if you've accidentally triggered it or no longer need it, you may want to turn it off. Here is how to do it. Unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS to access the SOS settings. If you want to disable the automatic call-in feature for SOS, toggle off the switch next to Auto Call. This prevents your iPhone from automatically calling emergency services when you rapidly press the side button 5 times. If you want to prevent the side button from initiating an SOS call, toggle off the switch next to Call with Side button. This disables the SOS feature activated by rapidly pressing the side button 5 times. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off the SOS feature on your iPhone. Remember that the SOS feature can be a valuable tool in emergencies, so use it responsibly and ensure that you're familiar with how to activate it if needed. Thank you for learning how to turn off SOS on iPhone with us. We hope this guide helps you manage your iPhone settings effectively. Stay safe, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.